Okay, this is a video of independent driving, a useful skill for the driving test and for the rest of your life. What we're going to do is pull away and we're going to follow the road ahead second exit at the roundabout, and then we're going to follow the signs to Guildford. Okay, so past the traffic lights we can see the first roundabout. This is the Queen's roundabout. You can watch a separate video on that. Okay, so on the approach to this roundabout we're going to be going in the middle lane because the left lane is left only. So centre mirror, right mirror, checking that it's safe to move slightly across. Nice early looking at the roundabout to see if there's any gaps. That's good, keeping my head moving like a tennis match. There's looking like there's a gap after the learner that's coming round. Just going to have a quick check for Bob and Tom as well, as it's quite a wide road. Roundabout, following the road markings. There's the first exit, so centre mirror, left signal. Okay, so already we can see a sign that says towards Guildford as we come off this roundabout. So we're going to look for what the next junction is and which direction we need to go. Okay, so looking across the corner, we can see there's a couple of white signs in the distance that tells us there's a roundabout coming. So I'm just trying to work out which way Guildford is. Okay, so here's the sign that tells us. It tells us that it's the third exit on the right hand side. So we're going to go right third exit. So centre mirror, right signal. Easing off the grass, progressive braking. Looking nice and early for my gap. Also looking where I'm going, keeping my head moving like a tennis match. There's a nice gap for us there. So we've got exit 1 and there's exit 2. So centre mirror, left signal. Coming off the roundabout. And new road, new mirrors. Okay, so we're looking ahead for clues about where our next junction is going to be. At the moment we can't see anything, there's just an awful lot of shops on the left. So just keeping an eye on my mirror as we drive along this road in case the blue car pulls out. Yes, he does, easing right off the gas. A little bit of hazard perception there for you. Okay, still looking out for clues about where our next junction is. Keep an eye out on this car on the left with its right signal on. Looks like he's behaving himself and waiting for us. Okay, now I can now just about see in the distance a roundabout sign, so we're going to look to see where Guildford is. Okay, so the sign tells us it's right third exit for Guildford. Okay, we can also see a big yellow sign in the distance. That tells us that we want the middle lane to go right, because we can go right from that one and the right one. There's the sign. Okay, so centre mirror, right signal, but using the middle lane, looking to the right nice and early, keeping our head moving like a tennis match. The roundabout's looking busy, so just gently coming to a stop and brake on. Okay, there's a potential gap coming shortly, so checking for Bob and Tom, and off we go. So there's exit number 1. There's exit number 2 in front of us, so centre mirror, left signal. Coming off the roundabout. So as you can see from the lane markings there, we stayed almost in the left lane most of the way around the roundabout, following the road markings. Okay, so there's a triangle sign telling us there's a roundabout coming up. We're still following the signs to Guildford. Looking across the corner as early as possible, we're trying to find the sign. There it is, so we're going left first exit. So there's the roundabout, centre mirror, left signal. Looking to the right as early as possible. It's looking clear, checking for Bob and Tom. And bringing us round onto a slip road onto the dual carriageway. So centre mirror, right signal. We're looking at our right door mirror lots. We're also going to have a quick chin to shoulder check on our right side to check there's nothing in our blind spot. Across we come, and then cancelling the signal, and slip road done.